can't feel my fingers. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's too dark. Okay, so we start off by scouting the location. This is my fiance Joey.
Hello.
The guy behind the camera. There's this one spot. I'll show you guys. In Baltimore, it's Fells Point.
Yep.
Called Fells Point. I like taking pictures around here. I like the cobblestone vibe going. It just gives it an industrial feel. So we're gonna be shooting around here, right there. All right.
All right, let's do this.
Okay. Okay, so we finished shooting this outfit and we had to cut it short because it was super cold. That's one downside of shooting during the winter time or during the cold months. It's because it's always too cold and you're not able to, I guess, get a good finished product because it's freezing. But I hope we got some good shots for this outfit. I can't feel my fingers. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the car and change into the next outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready in the car right now and change into the next outfit. This is one of the most unglamorous moments actually of vlogging, is when you have to change into multiple outfits in the car. It's very uncomfortable, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so I just finished changing into outfit number 2. We're sitting in the car for 5 minutes to just stay warm for a few more minutes. I'll show you guys the full outfit when I step out of the car. The camera is looking at me. I'm gonna be wearing the same bag for this outfit as well. You don't like that location?
It's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do it.
Okay, I think we're gonna use this location for this outfit. So we're getting back into the car to get some warmth. It's freezing and my feet are numb at this point. So, oh my god. Okay. Do you have the landscape?
Is in here, I think.
Oh my god. Okay, so I just looked at the footage for this outfit and we're gonna go back and get some more footage so we can have enough for the outfit. Hopefully this will be the last one because it's freezing cold. So I'm gonna mount the camera down here so you guys are able to see what's going on. I'm gonna zoom it in. It's a wrap, guys. We're finally done. Whew, that was a success, I guess. Now I'm starting to think that I don't like this lipstick that I put on. Oh well. Do you like it, babe?
Yeah, I like it.
I don't like this one. Hopefully it doesn't look ugly in the pictures. It looks like Vaseline. Oh well. Used to post 4 outfits every week on the blog a few months back, but I stopped doing that because I figured if I post 4 outfits every week on the blog in addition to 3 YouTube videos every week, it would be too much work for me. So now I post 2 outfits on the blog every week and then post 3 videos on the channel that same week. Let me know if you guys like this video, me taking you behind the scenes to see what goes on when we shoot these outfits. It's clearly not all glamorous. I mean, we have some hiccups that we face, like the weather, you know, in the winter time. If it's too cold, then you're not able to take a lot of pictures or videos for these outfits. Beginning of summer, last days of spring, it's easier for me to take blog pictures because the temperatures are very comfortable and they do let us be more creative and with ideas. You guys have seen that we had to run back into the car to get some warmth and then run back out to take more pictures. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I don't think I like this lipstick. No.